Hey guys, very good morning. That's the bird. That's the bird. You can see that? That's the bird. Guys, alright, very good morning. This is the place where I complete almost all my exercises when I come to village. So finally I just completed my morning jogging, you can say 1 kilometer I did today. So all the breathing exercise pranayamas I just completed, and it's such a pleasant place, like morning without any disturbance. Like ये देखिए भाई, this natural sound are always so good, guys. Look, the nature of wind sound and everything, bird chirping, awesome. Bye bye.